Basic skills of brewing wheat beer with beer equipment. Barley is the main malt and the brewing material of beer. Many large and small brewers are now experimenting with wheat for brewing. Not very familiar with brewing methods, probably not the best option. It's not easy for a winemaker. Good techniques can get you great results. 1. Selection of wheat beer. When brewing your first wheat beer, check how the wheat beer looks and tastes. In order to maintain the taste that belongs to the brewing time. Wheat beer smells grainy and bready. It shouldn't be as bitter as IPA, slightly sweet. 2. Tips for brewing wheat beer. Wheat beers utilize their yeast strain to extract the right flavor from your mash. Plan to use strains to see if they are suitable for wheat beer production. Choose a grain that can be used to make beer. Different flavors of wheat can ensure the taste you want. Wheat malt does not have a husk like many other malts. Possible issues to deal with during brewing: stuck mash. To prevent this problem, wheat malt can be milled in a coarser setting than barley. Water with a lower pH is the best choice for producing high-quality wheat. The pH of the mash is between 5.2 and 5.6. Wheat beer has sweetness in it, but still requires a certain amount of hops. If you want wheat to be the main flavor, add a small amount of hops. However, this is not a set rule. Experiment as much as possible to brew your own taste.